Is Ashford Hills a total scam? Let's get right to the point. If you've been browsing for deals online in 2026 and stumbled on ashfordhills.com, hold up. There are some major red flags you need to know about. First, don't confuse Ashford Hills with ashford.com, the legit luxury watch site that's been around forever. Ashford Hills? Totally different story. Recent consumer reports are lighting up with complaints. Number 1, non-delivery. People are waiting 2, even 3 months for boots or jackets, and nothing ever shows up. Emails to customer service? Good luck. If you get any reply, it's usually just a generic, copy-paste answer, if they reply at all. Number 2, unauthorized charges. Imagine buying a coat, and suddenly your card gets charged for random stuff you didn't even order. Yep, that's happened. Number 3, product quality. For the handful who actually received their item, reviews say it looks nothing like the photos. Think totally unwearable, like not even close. And here's another kicker. Tracking info often shows your package is stuck in China and never updates after that. Frustrating, right? So, what should you do if you've already placed an order or you're worried you've been scammed? First, contact your bank or credit card company ASAP to dispute the charge or request a chargeback. And always double-check the URL. Ashford.com is not the same as Ashford Hills. Even the real Ashfords had some order issues recently, but nothing like this. Bottom line, exercise extreme caution. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe, shop smart, and always trust your gut.